Hello beautiful people, it's YvetteCorinne and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a fun one. It is a Fendi double unboxing. Y'all, Fendi currently has me on chokehold. I'm not even gonna lie. If you don't follow me on Instagram or TikTok or anything, then you haven't seen this bag, but I got this last bag when I went to Hawaii for Rodney's birthday. Y'all already know, like, the shopping in Hawaii is, well, a little bit cheaper. It's 10% less on pretty much all of their luxury designer, and then their sales tax is about 75% less than it is in LA. So it is significantly cheaper if you ask me. I can save about $500 on some handbags depending on the price. So I did get this handbag, and I actually didn't have this one on my wish list. I did have the style on my wish list, but I didn't have this exact color. But when I walked into the store, y'all, I saw this color and I was obsessed. So I've actually been styling this bag already. I did a little unboxing on Instagram. If you don't follow me there, I will post a little quick video of the unboxing. But that bag, I really love it. It matches so many of my outfits. I've been wearing it since I've got it, and it was the best investment. Now, the second bag. I was just in Las Vegas and did a lot of unnecessary shopping, was not prepared, but while I was out there, I realized that I met my quarterly goal for the year, which is so wild to me and so amazing, and I honestly didn't think it would happen or anything. I just kind of like threw some numbers out there and I was like, this is how much I want to make for the year, and I just divided it by 4 and I was like, let's figure this out. And when I made it, I was so shocked. I was so happy. I was like, you know what, girl, treat yourself. So I treated myself. I did. I actually bought 2 bags. I'm only going to show you guys one right now, and then the second one I will show y'all and do the story time and the unboxing and everything. First bag is the Fendi baguette. Y'all know this was on my wish list. 2 years ago I did want the plain brown canvas baguette, but I realized that it was just too neutral and I had a lot of neutral purses already. So I saw this one, y'all, and you cannot tell me these colors, this colorful beauty is not the cutest thing you've ever seen. This is the cutest bag I've ever seen, no exaggeration. It's just a nice bag, gold hardware. The hardware on Fendi is amazing, and because it is canvas, I feel like I can wear it a little bit more casual and I can dress it up. It did come with this strap, this chunky two-tone strap, which at first I wasn't too crazy about, but it works really well when I wear like my casual outfits. And then it also came with the short strap. So the short strap is the same color. It's this neutral color, and it's like this. So if you want to wear it like this, top handle, really cute, or if you want to put it on your shoulder like the true baguette style, how they used to wear it back in the day, that's also really cute. I did buy a chain. I'm not sure where it is at this current moment, but I will insert some photos of me in the chain, and it's super cute. So the chain is like interlocking, it has like the FF, and it's really made for the Fendi first, but you can wear it with any Fendi bag that has a hook. So you could actually put, because it's 2 hooks, the chain right here, and then have the chain hanging, which is really cute, and like hold it like this. But I've been wearing the chain a lot because it's a little dressier, so when I wear it for dressier moments, the chain kind of dresses it up. So another thing that I've been loving about this bag is it's really spacious. So if you were ever wondering how much you can hold in the Fendi baguette, not the mini, the like medium size, it's super spacious. Like, I don't even have it full because I took a lot of stuff out and I'm using it in another bag, but it's pretty spacious. Like, it can hold a lot. So I've been wearing this bag more than I thought I would, just because it's super spacious and it pretty much goes with everything. So it's more so like a daily bag for me right now, and I definitely didn't think that, but she is the cutest. Oh my god, oh my god. And because I got in Hawaii, it was a little bit cheaper than getting it out here. I want to say it was 29 or 27, something in that range, where online it's like 32, I want to say. So it was a little bit less expensive, and the sales tax out there is like 4.6. So y'all can do the math, but very happy with this purchase. Very happy. So this was my introductory bag to Fendi. So I was in Vegas and I had to go into the Fendi store because I realized that Fendi has a lot of bags that are about to come out, and when they come out, sometimes they sell out really quickly, or you can't like get access to it, or you have to pre-order it, or you have to ask them an SA if they have it, they'll ship it to you, whatever. So I saw this bag while we were in Vegas and I knew I needed it. I just knew I needed it. I really don't need it, but it's so cute. just shut up. It's the sequin for me. Oh, like look at it. Oh my god. Okay, so story time. I was about to get it while we were in Vegas. I was. But the sales associate was being a little weird. He wouldn't hold, this bag comes in a pink as well. My friend wanted the pink, and he wouldn't hold the pink and the green for us. So then later on I was like, all right, I'm on my way to pick up the bag. He was like, oh, we already sold it. And I'm like, what? So I text my SA in Honolulu because they can ship bags if they have them there. And I was like, hey girl, she's the sweetest lady ever, like the sweetest. I was like, hey girl, do you have this bag? And I've been texting her lately because my friend also was looking for the rainbow one, but I asked her about that. She just has everything. Every time I message her, she has everything. She's like, I can ship it to you. She ships it for $25, and then I pay the Hawaii price and just LA sales tax. So I'm not mad at that. I'm still saving. So I text her and I was like, it'll be cheaper in Hawaii anyways. And I was like, do you have this bag? And she was like, oh my god, I do. I can ship them both to you. So she ended up shipping me this bag, and then my friend got a hot pink bag. Her bag is so cute. It's cute. It's a really good color. But y'all, it's a mini baguette, so it's not as big as the other one. I didn't feel like I needed it to be really big because it was sequin. I actually don't think this color comes in big, but they have a bigger sequin one and like a rainbow color and like a pink and a gold, and I want to say an all gold. It's super pretty. It has this really nice detail around the bag. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like a really nice crystal, like a little beading all around the bag, in the front, in the back, and the top. It's super nice. It says Fendi on the side. You can actually detach this. I just put it on, and you can put another strap if you want to. When you open it up, it's just like the regular baguette. It's a catch-all bag. I'm going to show you how much can fit in this bag though. It's so cute and so spacious. I really like the mini baguette. Every time I try on the bigger baguette, I don't know, besides the colorful one, I don't know. If it's not like a neutral color, the colors in the medium-sized baguette are a little too much for me, but the colors in the mini baguette are really nice. I'm obsessed with the mini. I probably will get a mini again soon. All right, so most importantly, does this fit the iPhone? And this is the iPhone 12 Pro, not the Max, just the Pro. And guys, it fits like a glove, and you have so much more room. I carry a card wallet around, so it pretty much fits in everything. We have lotion, fits, hand sanitizer, Advil, my lipstick. My card holder is downstairs, but it's so thin. And then I have a makeup powder compact. I carry like a small rollerball perfume, but this is the Toca Stella in the travel size. We're just gonna pop that in here, and then we're gonna close it up. And she is stuffed to the max, but she fits a lot. And it has a little card slot in the back, so if you want to put like just your important cards, maybe your ID and the card you're going to use for the day or night. And that's pretty much it, y'all. She is a beauty. She is such a good size. I'm obsessed. I feel like this is just going to be the moment. I don't really need it to match any of my outfits. I just want it to be the pop. It is amazing. I'm obsessed. Okay, so let's move right along. I can be here all day. So the bags that are on my current wish list are, I really want a Fendi first. I actually really like the shape. At first I was kind of about it because I tried on the medium in the store, and I don't dislike the medium, but I think I would prefer the small. The Mon Tresor, that's a little small bucket bag in a really fun color. So they have it in a really nice blue. They also have it in my colorful canvas, and then they have it in this really nice gold, which is really pretty. So there's options, but I really want those two bags. And then I want the Fendi Peekaboo, and I think I want that in the really pretty hot pink. I saw it in the store, but I want it in the mini size. So y'all, the moral of the story is Fendi has me in a chokehold. So I'm like trying not to spend my full handbag budget on Fendi, but Fendi's doing what it needs to do right now. Alright friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments below which bag is your favorite. If you have a Fendi on your wish list, let me know which bag you are looking at in the comments below. I will link these two bags in the description box. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of me, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!